Righto, tellio there champs, and yes, this DDR5 here, the crucial DDR5 Pro, is the RAM I use and recommend. Well, I actually lied, because actually I use the ballistics RAM in my system now. I have a DDR4 system which is faster RAM than this, but I have reviewed what I think are the best sort of motherboards to get. Like if you're starting with the PC build, the Prime and the Tough, the ASUS ones, check out in the description, I'll leave a link to those videos. But the next thing I would add to that is this RAM. I would add a crucial SSD too, because you know all the problems Samsung had. Like I would use Samsung before, but you know lately they've had issues with their SSD, so I just stick to crucial, made by Micron. I know it works, that's what I want. I just want reliability, and when I build PCs, I don't want the phone call, oh my PC's crashed, oh it's doing this, it's doing that. No. If you're into tech, you're probably tech support for your family, right? You go to a Christmas, dinner or whatever, and everybody's asking you, oh my phone's doing this, my computer's doing that, oh fix it. Oh, yeah, nah, I don't want that headache. I got enough of that already. Just stick this DDR5 RAM in, 100% rock solid. So I'll stick with those Tough and Prime motherboards. As I said, check out the reviews on those. And this is the RAM I'd get. 5600 mega transfers, 32 gigs is perfect for gaming, just even for content creation, etc. And I've never had a problem with crucial RAM or crucial SSDs. In actual fact, I remember Puget system who build like high-end sort of scientific computers and high-end sort of workstations for people or companies that need 24/7 reliability, and they stopped using Samsung RAM at one point just to use Micron or Crucial RAM. I haven't checked lately, maybe they use Samsung again, I don't know, but I know at one point they were definitely like, we're just going to use Micron and Crucial RAM, especially with the Intel systems. That's why you get this RAM. No headaches, whack it in, put on XMP and just game, just do whatever you got to do. This is the way I fly, and yeah, I don't think there's a bigger recommendation than the one you actually use yourself and the one you can rely on. And the reason I like this RAM is not because I'm a fanboy. It's not that. It's the thing is, stick with what works, right? And this is what I do. I stick with what works. I've never had an issue with it, and that's the way I go. Until they let me down, this is what I use for other people's build, 100%. This is it, the literal one I use. I'll leave a link in the description to that. So anyway, catch you in the next one. Tally ho.